Oh my goodness, this white cat is holding the little kitten like a mother taking care of her baby. This cat is hugging its owner's arm like a pillow, afraid to let go as if it's scared of falling. This dog even has glowing wings, looking like a fluffy angel lighting up the entire room. This black dog is trying its hardest to beg for a piece of food, making the most pitiful face imaginable. This cat is clinging to someone's leg, as if it doesn't want them to leave, begging them to stay and play a little longer. This little cat is climbing up its owner's leg, spreading its arm wide like it wants to be picked up. Adorable. He looks like he's admiring himself in the mirror with that cute hair clip on his head. This parrot is really smart, ain't it, mate? Knowing how to open the trash bin and throw things away and seriously doing household chores. Look at that, this cat is wearing a wig that makes him look like he just stepped out of a comedy movie from the 80s. This dog doesn't look very well, probably carsick, and has to wear a plastic bag over his face, poor thing. The dog in a sharp suit and the little girl in a bridal dress is the wedding of the century in the dog world. The hamster looks like a professional race car driver, showing off his skills by spinning the wheel round and round. This little cat is holding onto its owner tightly like a child wanting to be loved and protected. This dog is so scared, trembling all over while standing next to a toy horse, wanting to run away immediately. Look at that tiny mouth, but when he yawns, it opens so wide like the whole world isn't big enough to contain it. This dog just knocked something over and now looks very guilty, hiding in the corner, not wanting anyone to see him. The little cat is lying on the bed and that cute face is simply irresistible. You just want to give him a gentle pet. This cat just got startled and ran headfirst into a pot, looking terrified and trying to hide from something.